The Quench rate. Critical Cooling Interactive Calculator helps engineers determine cooling rates and heat treatment parameters for steel processing. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can calculate cooling rate from temperature change, calculate critical diameter using the Grossman method, calculate Jominy distance for target hardness, calculate severity of quench H value, calculate hardenability factor from composition, or calculate time to cool between temperatures. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate cooling rate from temperature change. Now enter your parameters. Initial temperature in degrees Celsius. I'm using 850. Final temperature in degrees Celsius, 300. Time elapsed in seconds. 2.5. Section. Thickness in millimeters. 25. Critical cooling rate in degrees Celsius per second. 150. H value quench severity, 0.5, and thermal diffusivity in square millimeters per second, 7.8. Click Calculate. The primary result shows 220.0 degrees Celsius per second. This is your actual cooling rate. The secondary result displays delta T equals 550.0 degrees Celsius, confirming your temperature difference. The status indicates rapid quench, suitable for martensite formation in most steels, telling you this cooling rate will achieve the desired metallurgical transformation. Find the link in the description below.